Hi, I'm Ranjit Kumar, Mathematical Mind online classes. Today we are going to deliver about imaginary number. How can find the value of imaginary number? So he is the invented or a father of a complex number or is Gauss, okay, Friedrich Gauss. He is the first mathematician who was introduced about a complex number. So, because some algebraic expression we can't factorizable look like uh, here if I say x square plus 1 or x square plus 2x plus 2 or x square plus x plus 1. These types of quadratic equation, these types these types of quadratic expression or polynomial polynomial we can't we can't factorizable factorizable real number in real number. Okay, so first mathematician who was introduced uh, Friedrich Gauss. So the here explanation is x square plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies x square plus here is adding subtracting subtracting both sides by minus 1, that means 1. Okay, we get x square plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0 minus 1. This implies x squared is equals to negative 1. Okay, so here x is equals to root over minus 1, right? Root over minus 1. So the Gauss introduced first root over negative 1 is equals to I. Okay, he was the first mathematician and introduced I means iota. So iota here, so I is equals to root minus 1. Now squaring both sides, we get here I squared is equals to root over minus 1 whole square. This implies I squared is equals to minus 1. I square is equals to minus 1, right? Again both side both sides multiply I, we get. So here equation first introduce, and now second is I squared times of I is equals to minus 1 times of I. So I q is equals to negative I. So their value, second value is negative IQ is equals to negative I. Now again multiplying I in both sides we get IQ times of I is equals to negative I times of I. That means I to the power 4 is equals to negative I square. This implies minus 1 times of minus 1 because I square is equals to negative 1. That is a minus minus plus 1. So here Here I to the power 4 is equals to plus 1. Got it? So basically there is a two formula as given. I square is equals to minus 1, I q is equals to negative I, and I to the power 4 is equals to plus 1. Okay, this is the four important formulas of a complex number. How can evaluate it? Okay, so look it here. So I, first example, I to the power 50, evaluate I to the power 50. That means you should first factorize of 50 and 4 times of 48 plus I, because here dividend is equals to 4 times of quotient plus R remainder. So here in place of a dividend, 50 is equals to factorize 4 times of 48 plus I. Okay, so here there is a 50, convert here is 2, right? Here is a 2. So we can written as, look like this is because formula is dividend A is equals to BQ plus R. Okay, this is the formula. So 50 is equals to 4 times of 40, 4 times of 12, sorry, 4 times of 12 plus 2, right? 4 times of 12 plus 2, that means I to the power 4 times of 12 plus 2. So we can written as I to the power 4 to the power 12 times of I square. Now here I to the power 1 times of 1 to the power 12 times of I square is minus 1. Therefore here is minus 1 is the answer. So that means I to the power 50 is equals to negative 1. This is the another example of, if I draw to evaluate I to the power 2025. Look at here. How can evaluate, right? Evaluate. So again, same way you should be 2025 divide 4 5 jar 20, cancel again 256. Okay, 256. So I to the power 25. So I to the power, so I to the power 2025. So we have factorized as a Euclid's division algorithm. We have to use 5 times of 506 plus 2. So I to the power 4 whole to the power 50506. Okay, so I squared is equals to minus 1, right? So minus was 1 times of minus 1 is 1. This is our solution. Okay, now